I had a friend, Jeff Butts. He came to work for me. He worked about 2 weeks. He said, you know what we need? We need a concrete truck. And I saw it. I always was interested in that. So I talked to my 12-year-old son, and I said, what do you think, Mason? Mom will absolutely kill me if I buy a truck. He said, Dad, if you think you can make money with it, go ahead. So I credit my son and Jeff Butts for us getting started. So it was just a really cool thing. A lot of hard work and a lot of team effort. Team effort is the key to it. We have a steady 11 guys, but we have the opportunity partnering with Taylor's. They have their oil drivers, which help us in the summer when we're busy. And then in turn, in the winter when we're slower, some of our drivers do the oil. So it works out. There's a lot of good-sized houses are coming into the area, people moving from the south, New York City. I say most of our jobs are bigger houses. 20 years ago or so, when I was doing foundations, it was a lot of more smaller modulars. And I do remember a real estate agent told me, she said, if you're working in Dutchess County, you have nothing to worry about as far as work coming in. I just get up every morning and give it the best shot. Always be prepared. I tell my wife I do get up every day and want to go to work. I never wake up and say, boy, I don't feel like going to work today. That's what I like best about it. The most important thing really, besides a good product, is the employees. Without all these good employees, it would not happen.